Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about implantation. Implantation literally means when the blastocyst penetrates the uterine mucosa and gets implanted into endometrium. When it happens 6 to 7 days after fertilization. It is called interstitial implantation. Now you need to understand what is interstitial implantation. What is interstitial implantation? It means that the blastocyst goes inside the endometrium and implants there. So it's not like to touch here, it's like reaching here. This is endometrium. Okay. Now, what is the site of implantation? Most common site of implantation is posterior upper part of the uterus. Never tell fundus. Posterior upper part of uterus is the most common site. And when there is implantation, sometimes, only sometimes, mild bleeding per vaginal happens, and that is called Hartmann sign. Now, there are 3 phases of implantation. As my videos are never very long and kind of boring, I will tell you 3 names of the stages. Number 1 is apposition. When the blastocist is opposed to the endometrium. Adhesion. It adheres to the endometrium. And third is invasion.